Bitcoin is the hottest trend today. Right now, there are around 55 million Bitcoin accounts because that's public information, but who owns them? Well, that's private information, my friends. But in this video, I will show you how many Bitcoin millionaires there are today and how you can become one of them. Hi there, my name is Jaime Shekaiban. Welcome to your channel, The Foreigner in America, where I teach locals and foreigners everything related to their money. So if you're like me, someone that loves money, investing, making it reproduce, grow, the markets, real estate, you name it, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button so you don't miss any one of my 2 weekly videos. And also check out my Instagram at The Foreigner in America, where I also post twice a week. Also check out my webpage, theforeignerinamerika.com. And make sure you check out my new book, A Foreigner in America Can Succeed, which is a solid read that it took me like a year to write. And it shows how to be successful as a human being in any part of the world. So check it out. Right now, there are around 55 million accounts owning Bitcoin. But out of those, 45 million, so roughly 82%, only own $100 or less of Bitcoin. So Morgan Stanley was the first bank that allowed wealthy customers to access funds using Bitcoin. Then Goldman Sachs followed and did the same thing. And you have Coinbase, which went public on the 14th, that has right now 9.5 million active users trading crypto. But there's still concerns though, like even if a person like Kevin O'Leary came out saying that he's gonna put 3% of his portfolio into Bitcoin, I mean, he doesn't want anything to do with coins from China or Bloodcoin. So he wants to produce his own coins. So volatility, insurance, and security are the main concerns that you should have for Bitcoin. They're like the main roadblocks. And there's also a problem of how much energy it consumes just to be able to mine it. Whatever happens between now and the end of the stimulus from the government, from where we actually get back to normality, is the tipping point for Bitcoin. So how many millionaires are there owning Bitcoin? I will tell you right now, but first make sure you give me a like to help grow my channel. Nonetheless, right now, there are 101,554 accounts with more than $1 million worth of Bitcoin. And out of those, 8,110 accounts own more than $10 million worth of Bitcoin. So the question comes up to me like, how do I become one of them? I will tell you exactly how. I will give you a couple of recommendations on the systems that you can use to start putting your money into Bitcoin. But please make sure you comment below on what do you use or how do you trade your Bitcoins or your cryptos and what are your returns? Because I'm very interested in knowing what you do. Well, my friends, in order for you to reach the millionaire status, you have to start putting money into it. That's it. That's how the system works. You cannot create a millionaire if you're not willing to invest on it. So these are the best ways that you can put your money into Bitcoin today. So let's begin. BlockFi. With BlockFi, you can open an account and it will give you an interest up to 8.6% APY. You can also borrow cash and buy and sell crypto. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balance, and actually no reason for you to wait. And this is an excellent way for you to ditch the old CD or money market account mentality, because those are not giving you any money in interest. So instead of doing that, start with your BlockFi account, put some money on it, and start earning interest. Just remember, this is not FDIC insured like a bank is. Coinbase. So Coinbase just went public on the 14th. It's a company based in San Francisco with more than 30 million users. You can buy in as little as $25 and you connect your account to a debit card or to a bank account immediately for the transfers. And although they're not FDIC insured as well as BlockFi, they claim in their website that they have certain type of insurance which was not detailed, and they have also really good security on your money. And once you have your money in there with them, you can do several things. You can hold on to the money to make it grow. You can trade for different cryptos. You can withdraw the money for cash, or you can donate the money. Also, there's a way you can donate it to a charity. And then you have Gemini and Robinhood. Two of the other apps or systems that are very popular to trade crypto today, just like BlockFi or Coinbase, is Gemini and Robinhood. They have really good apps. They have really good systems in place that you can use, and you can trade Bitcoin very, very fast. But whatever system you use, make sure that you understand the risks of putting your money into a cryptocurrency that can go up or down in value very fast. Now let me give you my foreigner insight for this video. Putting your money into a 401k and just forgetting about it, that's not the way to go. That used to be the way probably 10 or 20 years ago. But right now, 401ks are not reliable anymore. And why? Because they charge fees that you do not even know about and you cannot control. The money that you put in, you cannot take it out because you get penalized. And then you also have no control over your money on where it is invested or how it is invested or anything whatsoever. That's completely employer controlled. So what I will tell you is put some money on the 401k and forget about it. And the most of the money that you save after putting it into a 401k, use it to invest in real assets. So you can put it in crypto, you can put it in real estate, you can buy some good stocks or start your own business or invest in someone else's business. Put that money to work. That's the only way that you're gonna live a nice, happy life, worry-free about money. And you can live for 100 years happily and nicely. If you liked this video, please give me a like, hit that bell button so you don't miss any one of my weekly videos, and also subscribe if you haven't. And check out my new book, A Foreigner in America Can Succeed. That's a solid read because it talks about all the main pillars of life that a human being should be above average to achieve happiness and be successful. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.